To fix an Xfinity router blinking green after a reset, it is essential to understand the meaning of the blinking green light and the steps to resolve the issue. The blinking green light on an Xfinity router typically indicates that the device is attempting to establish a connection or is in the process of updating its firmware. First, unplug the power cord from the router and wait for 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues and stop the blinking green light. If the issue persists, check the physical connections of the router, ensuring that all cables are securely connected to the correct ports. Next, log in to the Xfinity router using the default admin username and password, usually printed on the underside of the device or in the user manual. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu and check for any available firmware updates. Installing the latest firmware can often resolve issues causing the blinking green light. If updating the firmware does not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to perform a factory reset on the router. To do this, locate the small reset button on the back of the device and press it for 10 seconds using a paper clip or pin. Release the button and wait for the router to restart. After the reset, the router will automatically attempt to establish a connection with the Xfinity network. If the blinking green light persists, it may indicate a problem with the Xfinity service in your area. In this case, contact Xfinity customer support for assistance, as the issue may be outside of your control. To prevent the issue from occurring in the future, ensure that the router is placed in a central location, away from walls and other obstacles that can interfere with the signal. Regularly updating the firmware and checking for physical connection issues can also help to prevent the blinking green light problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Xfinity router blinking green after a reset and establish a stable connection to the internet. If you continue to experience issues, it is recommended to contact Xfinity customer support for further assistance.